December something. I had to kind of shimmy across on my knees. Whoops. I mean, I had my legs wrapped around it. I really didn't have the nerve to try to walk across it. Dog? I saw a dog up there. Terrible trail for a dog. It's ridiculous. Look at this now, though. Look, there's a fence there at the castle now. Okay. Oh, brother. Totally unnecessary. Ridiculous.
So I'll use my. Oh my God!
Yeah, my cousin.
Right through the tree, right way in there. See that way out there? See with the naked eye. That could be near Route 8. There's the chest up there. It's December 5th. Saturday. And there's a lot of people up here today. Its temp is approaching 50 degrees, and we know that's about as good as it's going to get for a long time. So, a lot of people over there today.